All right, have you been doing, did we do this when you had the back issue before?
On the leg?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to do it for the knee.
You're going to put it on the knee?
You're going to put it on the knee. So here's the thing. You don't have to go over the incision. It's not dangerous to go over the incision, but you don't have to. You don't have to go over the kneecap or anything like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the roller right about here. So right above the incision. So bring it down here. And then you're gonna roll up toward the hip. Don't hold it, you wanna let it roll.
Oh.
There you go, and then you pick it up and you bring it down and you roll.
Oh.
And you pick it up, and so what we're doing is we're creating a little bit of a vacuum, right? We're pulling some of that fluid up into the hip, back into the system, letting the kidneys and everything process all of that. You're gonna do the top of it, and then you can let the leg kind of relax and get the inside a little bit for me. Go ahead. And you're in charge of how much pressure you put through it. You can put a lot of pressure, it's totally safe, or you can keep it kind of light initially. If you find a spot that's sensitive or like lumpy or bumpy or just doesn't feel right, you can put a little more time on that spot and then move away. So basically what we're doing here is we're taking the fibers, we're spreading them horizontally, right? If you just stretch, stretching takes the fibers and stretches them lengthwise, but we want to spread them apart. And that's part of what this does. It also helps facilitate the fluid exchange. If we get the old fluid out, the new fluid comes in, brings nutrients, oxygen, everything we want.
New fluid?
You got new fluid. It's in there. Let's get the outer hip a little bit. It's like changing the oil.
I heard a lot right through here.
Yeah, the IT band is that outer leg. So I'm not sure if this doctor does it, but a lot of doctors put a tourniquet around the thigh to reduce blood loss. But that tourniquet causes tissue damage up around the thigh. So the pain out here is really common. This is one of my favorite ways to reduce some of that pain. So at home, get your rolling pin out. It could be metal, it could be wood, it could be marble. Get it out, put it next to where you spend your time so you can't walk by without seeing it. This way you remember it. And you're gonna spend about 3 or 4 minutes on the upper thigh. We're gonna do both legs. So you're gonna compare that leg to this leg, and since that leg hasn't had surgery and you wanna buy the time, the healthier we can keep that tissue, the better chance you have of keeping that knee healthy.
Okay.
So every single day, I would say twice a day, you spend 3 or 4 minutes on each thigh.
Okay.